Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share about shading with pencils. So in my previous video I have shared with you about pencil grades and where to use which pencil. So in today's video my focus is going to be about achieving all the tones with the help of a single pencil. That means from dark to light with the help of a single pencil. So I'm going to use 8B pencil to show this. So let's get into the video. So I've got 8 boxes in here and now I'm going to shade it from light to dark. I'm starting with the least amount of pressure that I'm able to give and then gradually increasing the pressure. Little by little for each square, just increase the pressure. Also make sure that for each box you are able to differentiate the tones. That is our main focus here. You have to have the difference in the tones and also you have to achieve it with the same pencil. Now for the last box I am giving the maximum amount of pressure, just like this. So this is to show you that you can achieve any kind of tones with darker shade pencils. So here it is, from the light to dark with a single 8B pencil. This is Staedtler charcoal pencil. So this is an example of how to achieve all the shades from dark to light with the help of a single pencil. Similarly, you might think, is it possible to achieve this with the help of a 2B or a HB pencil? No, it's not possible because you can achieve lightest tone with the help of a darkest pencil, but you cannot achieve the darkest tone with light pencil. So with the help of HB, 2B or 4B, it's not possible to get the tone of 8B pencil, but the vice versa is possible. To demonstrate and help you understand this better, I'll show another demo for this. Now with this pencil, I'll try to create the lightest tone possible, the mid tone and also the darkest tone. So now this is the lightest tone. Now this is the darkest tone that I can get with this pencil. I'm giving the full amount of pressure, but I'm able to achieve only this much darkness. This is what I meant. You cannot get the dark value that you get from a 4B or an 8B pencil with this HB pencil. So now I'll show the same with the help of a 2B pencil. In this also it's not possible to achieve the darkest tone that we get from 4B or 8B. So this is the light and the mid tone. And here I'll give the darkest tone possible. So I'm giving the full amount of pressure and pressing the pencil very hardly against the paper. So this is the darkest tone I'm able to get. If I add another layer, maybe I can get a little more darkness, but it's not possible to achieve the tone of an 8B pencil. So that's it for today's video. Hope you understand how to shade with a single pencil and how not to shade with 2B or 4B to achieve darkest tones. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. So I'll see you in the next video with another tutorial.